Main building of the Taj Mahal, its height, the main bottom to top, 243 feet, about 81 meters. In the one top, brass its height, 30 feet 6 inch, about 10 meters. So it was gold at that time of Shahjahan. See, all types of gold, small, bigger, that time always gold. But now all is a brass because British government took all the gold. And each minar of height 165 feet, about 55 meters. So this minar look like straight, but it is not straight. Every minar make a 3 degree slightly tilted from outside. Because when earthquake will come, it will not fall down on the inside or down the outside. On the left side is mosque, and right hand side royal guest house. So both are some symmetry of the Taj Mahal. And Taj Mahal also symmetrical from four sides. And all the white marble taken from Rajasthan, Makrana. Now Taj Mahal ticket 50 and 250 rupees ticket. But do you know, full moon days, Purnima time, Taj Mahal ticket 540 rupees. But this is not every day. 2 days before Purnima, after 2 days Purnima and 7 days Purnima. Only 5 days allowed. At that time, there is a flowers. See, these all are real gemstones. So, moonlight time, all the stones are glowing. If you touch torchlight, it will be glowing, colorful, green, yellow, red, and that marble also translucent marble. If you touch torchlight here, you can see light here. So all the marble is translucent. But inside, torchlight is not allowed. That's why I could not show you. After completing the Taj Mahal, we will to Mini Taj Mahal, where we can see how to the glowing stone glow in the moonlight. In Agra, 4 things is famous. First Taj Mahal, second thing is you know Agra, Peta, Pusni Kalwa. But some people selling footpath outside. Pusni Kalwa. That is not good quality. Real Pusni Kalwa get on the store. And third, leather items, shoes, chappal, wallet, purse. And fourth, special item. Do you know Mungal Sari? Mungal Sari famous in Agra.
Mungal Sari. Mungal Sari is famous in Agra.
Very famous in Agra. So do you know
Mungal Sari.
So do you know Taj Mahal?
Yes,
Yes, I'm telling you. Listen. So do you know Taj Mahal built by Shahjahan, named his wife Mumtaz Mahal. So the real name of Shahjahan was Sahabuddin Khurram, and the real name of Mumtaz was Anjuman Mubarak Begum. So Shahjahan had 3 wives. First Fatehpur Begum, second Akbari, and third Mumtaz. But first wife and second wife had no child. But Mumtaz leaves 14 children. 1-4. She died 14 children delivery time in Jahanpur, Madhya Pradesh. 8 children died at that time of delivery. Only 6 children alive. 4 sons, 2 daughters. The name of son, Dara, Suza, Murad Khan, Aurangzeb. And 2 daughters, Roshinara and Jahara.
He's Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb. He was third son of Shahjahan. And
Third son of Shahjahan.
he was third son of Shahjahan. Actually, he killed his brother because he wanted kingdom. He was a very greedy person. So Taj Mahal is not palace of Shahjahan. Nobody live here. Just inside, king and queen, Shahjahan and Mumtaz, both buried in Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
So when we can enter the Taj Mahal, actually nothing is there. Inside, 2 clear from the tomb. The real tomb will be 20 feet underground. The real tomb is closed now because area very small. There is no space, no ventilation. That's why we can't see real one. When we can enter the Taj Mahal, we can see 1 pair. 2 tombs is there. So center Mumtaz and corner Shahjahan. Big one Shahjahan Samadhi, small Mumtaz Samadhi. And in Taj Mahal, some part written holy book the Quran, written in Arabic language. And 1 electric lamp inside. So that electric lamp gifted by Lord Shahjahan. 1905 is gifted. Taj Mahal, 4 time color change. If you see Taj Mahal morning time, sunrise time, that time Taj Mahal color light orange. Noon time Taj Mahal color red. Sunset time Taj Mahal color light golden. And night time Taj Mahal color light blue. Actually according to them, marble color change. Okay, so more explain there. Come now.
Photo.
Good photo. Actually sir, good photo.